Hey Geek, so if you're the type of person who loves to be out and about, especially outdoors or traveling, then more than likely you want to have as little as possible with you. And so today I'm going to be showing you my minimal EDC or everyday carry for creators, giving you everything you need all in a small lightweight pack. All right, so this is what I'm working with in terms of my EDC. This is the Osprey Daylite. This is a super popular bag from a brand that's known for quality, especially for outdoor type of gear. And the bag itself, this is around 13 liters and around 1.1 pounds, so really small and lightweight, but it gives you a surprising amount of space. And in terms of the materials, this is made of some recycled polyester. It does have water resistance, and it's just really great quality all around. It also uses YKK zippers, which is excellent. And then on the front, it has two mesh design pockets, so then you could put some items here, water bottles or your phone or any other items, and it is expandable, which is great. And then on the back, I really like this. It has this whole mesh design. It's called Airscape, so whenever you are using this, and especially if you're outdoors and you're sweating, it does a good job of dealing with moisture and even odor. And then the shoulder straps itself, even though it's thin, I still think it's really comfortable. It does have some straps right here, and then you could fasten your waist right here with these clips right there, and also on the sides. And then there's even a hydration portion if you wanted to put like a water bladder in there. But then we come to the main compartments here. So here is the admin part, and it does hold quite a bit, but at least for me, when I'm doing a minimal style pack, I don't put much in there. So I have my power plug with a USB-C cable, and then I also have my camera, and currently I'm shooting this with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I also have a little tripod as well. And then I also have like an extra battery charger in here as well for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It is really great for me to just carry this around because it gives me everything that I need when it comes to my video gear. And then on the inside is where I have my laptop. So in this case, it doesn't really have a laptop sleeve. I mean, there is a pocket there, but it's not really made for that. But I just went ahead and got myself this laptop bag because it doesn't have a false bottom, so I wanted to protect my laptop. So in here I have my 13-inch framework laptop right here. So here is my framework laptop right there. And then over here I actually have a mouse pad and a mouse right here. So that gives me everything that I need when it comes to recording my videos with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and doing all the video editing work that I need. And then I also have some other items here. So this is a stand for my laptop, so this makes it a little bit more convenient for me to work on a table. And then finally, I have some external storage. I have this right here, this Seagate. This is 5 terabytes of storage, and that is all that I need whenever it comes to my minimal everyday carry pack. As a creator, it works really well for me, and I basically have all the things that I need. And I could definitely fit some more things in here, but if I'm traveling really minimally and I still want to create, this does the job. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this or your own EDC or everyday carry, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my reviews on this bag or even my framework laptop, I'll leave those in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode.